Welcome back to FloridaMan Fishing. Not really too much going on today, just testing out the new kayak. Just got it in a nice purchase. Nice fishing kayak finally. Very excited to get out on the water. We'll see what happens. Perception outlaw fishing kayak. Finally a yak big enough to carry me. But we'll see what happens. If I hook up today, you guys will see the catches in the video, but I'm just taking her out for a spin. See you soon. Ciao. Wow, guys, I am absolutely loving this kayak so far. Fishing, or Perception Fishing Outlaw kayak. Awesome. Feels good to be up off the water a little bit. You guys have seen that, for you guys that have followed me for a while, y'all have seen me in that other kayak, the little tiny blue one. It's this is a huge upgrade. Big difference. Very big difference. It's even blowing a little bit today, and I'm not having any issues getting through the water at all. This is crazy. So excited I made this purchase and found this deal. Guys, I love this chair too, man. That is the best. Best thing I've done in a while for my fishing channel. So hope you guys enjoy all the memories I'm gonna make in this beast. It's definitely gonna be some cool ones. That much is for certain. But let's get to fishing. I'm coming up on some structure now. You guys are familiar with this spot. I fish it all the time. Like I said, this is just a good test run for my kayak. But yeah, you guys see me hook up, I'll see you soon. There we are. Oh, nice fish. Nice little trout. What's up, buddy? There's one. Look at the spots on that guy. Pretty fish. Nice. Well, guys, I gotta say, man, I'm really enjoying this experience in my new kayak. Perception Outlaw fishing kayak. It's really awesome. Man, being up off the water like this, staying dry, freaking cuts through the water real good. This was awesome. Man, and I got it for a great price too. There's going to be a lot of memories made in this kayak. I can already see it coming. It's going to be sweet. For everybody that's followed me so far, I really appreciate you guys supporting me. And just remember, guys, if you can drop a comment, like a video, share my channel feed, subscribe, of course, that's the main thing. But all the support you guys do for me, it really means a lot. And I plan to keep pushing this thing as far as I can take it. Being on the water, catching fish, just living this kind of life I'm blessed. And everybody else that does it is blessed too, and we should all work together and help each other and do better. That's all I can say about that. Let's get back to fishing. I hope to show you guys a couple more today. I know I caught one off camera that was pretty nice, but let's see if we can get something else going here. We got a lot of stretch of land to cover. So I'm gonna keep pushing. See you guys soon. There's one. There's a little guy. What's up, buddy? I mean, it don't get no littler than that. That's about the smallest trout I ever seen. Good way to break in the yak.